Did you know that sausages were invented in Germany in 1487, when a butcher from the city of Nuremberg, named Franziskus Geffer, invented a way to make sliced meat in a tubular form? Hello, this is Proxima, and today we will look at how sausages are made. Get ready, we're starting. First, high-quality raw materials for making sausages must be selected. Typically, beef, pork, or chicken is used. It is important that the meat is fresh and meets certain quality standards. After that, the meat is chopped into small pieces, using special equipment, such as a meat grinder or cutter. The chopped meat is then transferred to a mixer, where it is mixed with salt, spices, and other ingredients according to the recipe. To give the sausages a certain shape and size, the mixture is fed into a machine for stuffing the casing. Sausage casings can be made of natural or artificial materials. In the first case, animal intestines are used, in the second, synthetic polymers. Then the sausages go through a thermal processing stage, which includes smoking. The sausages are placed in a smoking cabinet, where they are treated with smoke. Various types of wood chips are used for this, including fruit or herbal species of trees, which give the sausages a special aroma and taste. After thermal processing, the sausages are cooled, which is necessary to extend their shelf life. Then the sausages are packed in plastic wrap or paper bags and sent to the warehouse for storage and further sale. Sausage production is a complex process that requires strict quality control at every stage. Manufacturers must comply with all sanitary standards and product safety requirements to guarantee its quality and safety for consumers. They must also undergo regular inspections by government agencies to ensure compliance with production requirements. Thus, sausage production is a process that requires high qualifications and experience from manufacturers to produce a high-quality product. At every stage of production, it is necessary to comply with all safety standards and sanitary norms to prevent potential problems with product quality and protect consumers from possible health issues. In addition, modern sausage manufacturers pay special attention to using natural ingredients and minimizing the amount of preservatives and colorants to improve the quality and taste of the product. They also constantly work on improving production technologies to enhance production efficiency and maintain high product quality. The final product is a tasty and satisfying snack that is popular all over the world. Sausages can be used as a main dish or as an ingredient in other dishes. They are also a popular choice for picnics, camping trips, and other events. It is important to understand that consumers should purchase sausages from reliable manufacturers who follow quality and safety standards. Consumers should also make sure that the product is stored according to the instructions on the package to guarantee maximum freshness and safety when consumed. And how much do you love sausages? Write your answers in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel to not miss new videos. Don't be bored. See you soon.